Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imran bin Wahab. My ID number is 2020455432. In this video, I will present about secure share. So what is a secure share? Secure share is a network security protocol that employs encryption and authentication mechanism to implement services such as secure access and file transfer. Traditional remote login or file transfer methods such as Telnet and FTP transmit data in clear text, which poses many security risks. So basically, SSH help to overcome security issues of Telnet because it provide a secure way for two computers to connect remotely. It employs encryption so that hacker cannot interpret the traffic between these two connected devices. And for example, SSH is putih. Putih is SSH and Telnet client. Next, I will present about I will do a demonstration of SSH. Before that, I will tell you how my SSH works. So first, client will request the server with file name, and then the corresponding file is opened by the server, and send the file using datagram socket. Next, the sender send the encrypted text with a fixed length key. Next, the receiver will receive the encrypted text, which is in ciphertext, and then the receiver will decrypt the file using the same key, which is a private key. So let me show the code. So on the left side, this is a code for server side. So this code is where I'm declare the data type, and then this is port number that I'm using. I choose port number which is greater than 5,000 because port 22 not work at all. And this is the IP address of server. And then after that, after bind process, after the bind process, it will the server will listening or waiting for the client in this code, where the server will listening to the client, and then if a server receive a message, it will count the message and display the number. Next is then it on this line it will show the encrypted message that stored in file. Then this line where it will open the file and perform the XOR operation for all characters that server receive. So we go to the client side. So this is where I'm declare the data type, and this array that I declare, and this is the port number, same as server, and this is IP address of server, and we can directly send file to the server since we run over UDP. And this line, this code where this line will enter the client will enter the file name that the client requests, and this is the why if loop, if file cannot be found, and it will display that file does not exist. And then this line where bring sum of character that sent from server encryption character, and this line where the decrypted message is displayed. So let me show you how it runs and how it will run. First we will run to the client side, server side. And then the server will waiting for the client, and I will run for the client side, and then I enter the file names. Let me example client, and when I push the enter, and it will show the encrypted message. We can see from the server side it will display a message number 1 that received from client, and then it will show the encrypted message that's stored in file, and this is the encrypted message. And from the server side, from the client side, it will also display the encrypted message that received from the server, and it will display the decrypted message, which don't share your password. And we can see there is we can see this is the encrypted message, which is for all character, and for this 00 it will remain 0 because it does not encrypt, because it does not have a character to encrypt. Let me show you the second example. Sorry. Then we can see from the server side, the message number will show 2, and this is the encrypted message for the file number 2, and this is also the encrypted message, and this is the encrypted message, and the character supposedly to be hello there is hello there, that this is a secret message, and on this why it not display a full message, because in the coding let me show you in the coding. Because the condition for encryption and decryption message, I put it only 32, so the character of client file number 2 that I just enter before is that character, the amount of character is exceed the number that I write in the code. So let me show if I enter the wrong file name. And it will show that file does not exist, segmentation fault, and it will terminate the session from the server. And that's it, the demonstration of SSH that run over the UDP. That's it from me. Thank you.